everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lois here. In today's tutorial we are going to cut together a line gown. Look at it on the screen, it's beautiful. So we have this slippery fabric we are using a chalk, a scissors, a pattern master, our measurements, our armhole curve, and our tape. So let's get started. So I folded the 2.5 yards of the slippery fabric we have into 4. After folding into 4, I took the neck width of 3.5 and took the neck depth of 2.5 for the back. And after connecting it to the neck width, I took the neck depth for the front, 7 inches. I used my armhole curve to connect the neckline from the depth to the neck width. Then after connecting it, I had to use my tape to measure the full back that we have. We have total of 23 inches. We are using the whole of the 23 inches. Then I took the shoulder slant of 1.5 and connected it to the neck width. Since the sleeve is going to have an elastic, we are going to mark 11 inches. You can use 13 inches. And then I added half an inch seam allowance. And then at that line that we have there, the sleeve circumference becomes our chest line. On that chest line, I had to impute the bust circumference of 16 inches, and then I marked the half length of 17 inches. Then the bust circumference is 16, so the true waist circumference, I'm going to minus 1 inch from 16, which gave me 15 inches. So I had to mark 15 inches. Then I connected those two lines and then made a curve at the armhole area to align with the sleeve. So the next thing is to place my straight ruler to connect it down to the end of the material. We are using the full length of the fabric we have as the total length that we are going to use. So the next thing is to use my scissors to cut it out. So if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, like and share for others to see. So after cutting this, the next thing we are going to do is the leftover fabric we have by the side, we are going to use it as belt. So we are going to separate the front panel from that of the back panel so that we'll be able to drop the neckline for the front. So I have to arrange it very well in order for me to cut the neckline. So I will use my scissors to drop the neckline for the front. After dropping the neckline, it is time for us to sew. This is a simple gown. So after cutting, the next thing is for us to join the two shoulders. We are going to align the neckline together, right side facing each other. Then we'll join the shoulder. After joining the shoulder, we'll use our bias to turn the neckline. After turning the neckline, we are going to make an elastic casing for the sleeve and fix the elastic. I will bring it and show you. So I am done joining the shoulder. We've used our bias to turn the neckline and the shoulder too has been sewn. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to put our belt. This is the belt we've sewed. So for us to fix the belt, we have to turn the fabric to the wrong side, adjusting the shoulder, making sure that the sleeve is equal. Then we are going to sew that place all round. So at the point of 17, from the shoulder to the point of 17, we are going to put our belt inwards, and then the way I have placed it, that is how we are going to use our sewing machine to sew it. We are doing the same to the other side. After sewing it, we are going to fold the downside. We'll hem the downside half an inch and another half an inch. After sewing it, then the sleeve area, we are going to fold half an inch and then 3/4. Then after sewing it, we are going to insert our elastic casing and bring it and so this is the finished look, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of our beautiful tutorials. Watch the video next to this. See you there. Bye.